Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. I clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for October 20th through November 3rd. The pattern hasn't changed much since yesterday. We still have, get back here. We still have a ridge here over the East Pacific, across the west, above normal heights across the southern U.S. We also have a strong positive height anomalies near Greenland, ridge along the East Coast, trough over or upper low over Hudson Bay that extends into northern states, and the pattern doesn't change very much. We go to the end of the period, see what the pattern looks like, and during this forecast period, we will have a series of fronts that will move across the northern states. They'll cause some rainfall in the region, and Canadian cold air will move in and bring snow. We'll go back up here. And we'll bring snow across this area into the Great Lakes. And then we'll have moisture here. Depends on what happens here across the Caribbean. And we'll take a look at the current satellite picture. Let me go here. And first of all, we have this this spin here. It's a non-tropical low. It's southeast of Bermuda. It's showing signs of organization, and the National Hurricane Center gives it a 90% chance of development. And it's supposed to meander across this area, but also we have possible development occurring down here across the Southwest Caribbean. And that will come across. We'll take a look at that. And we have to watch down by the Yucatan. See a low developing right here, starting to get its act together late in the next weekend. Then we have a low developing near Cuba. And then, now this is different from yesterday. It was shown to come up along the East Coast. Now it kind of like tracks northwestward. Into the Gulf. This is a GFS, but if you look at the European, doesn't really develop the system at all, has a weak system down here. But this is a GFS where it brings it into the Gulf of Mexico. This has to be watched. But meanwhile, this system here is will meander across the region and then stay away from the mainland of the U.S. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for October 25th to 29th. And we have here most of the models showing this ridge, trough configuration, and a ridge. However, the European ensembles has a trough in the east, ridge in the west. Now we have to look at what's going on over in Asia. And during this period, we have a ridge that develops over this area. So this favors a ridge in the east. So we're looking at a pattern similar to what the other models in GFS. Its ensembles and the NEFS. So this is what we're forecasting for this period of October 25th to 29th, which is a change from yesterday's forecast. So for this forecast period, forecasting below normal temperatures for this region, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees below normal, and above normal temperatures are forecast here with anomalies of 6 degrees above normal for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this area, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation for most of the area east of the Mississippi River, except for New England, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. Now we're going to take a look at the period for November 30th, or October 30th to November 3rd. And most of the models are showing a nearly zone of flow with near to above normal heights, although the European ensemble keeps forecasting it's stable, showing a trough in the east, ridge in the west, but the other models are showing this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for this region here, forecasting anomalies of 4 degrees below normal, and then we have above normal temperatures for this region here with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this area, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation forecast for the northern mid-Atlantic and the northeast, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for October 20th to November 3rd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.